How to change name on ticket on Aegean Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can change name on ticket on Aegean Airlines. To do so is very simple. The first step is to log in into your Aegean Airlines account. Then once you've done so, by the top right corner, you can see the Aegean logo. And by the time you scroll down, you can see other options as well. So as you can see this, the next thing would be to move to the top part of the screen where you can see the option help and contact. It is because you would have to contact the customer support for you to be able to change the name on your ticket. Alright, you can't do it by yourself. So click on help and contact and then you'll be taken to the help center. So on this page, you can see how can we help you. And then by scrolling down, you can see a search box where you can type out your question and then you get answers too. But I would advise that for a fast response, you scroll down and then click on the email option here and select contact us. So after selecting contact us, you'll be taken to the emails page where you can send in your request. And in this stage, you have to select who is filling the form. I'm a passenger on the specified flight. I am writing on behalf of the passenger. Just select it, enter in the passenger's information. All right, and then select your type of communication, which is complaint, all right, or a request. Select the one that you fall under. Then since it's a request, since you're trying to change the name on your ticket number, and then select the category that you fall under. All right, for this category it is my booking, so ensure you select it. And then you'd have to enter in your bank details, your message, which is you'd like to change your name on your ticket. Then enter in full details about the change of name, the reason, and all of that. After entering it in, if you want to upload a file, you can do so. Then if not, just go ahead and select yes, you would like to receive a response. Then fill in the captcha and then click on submit. Then after submitting it, you would wait for a while. You would on the customer service would respond to your email with certain and specific instructions that you have to follow. Once you follow those instructions, the ticket number would be changed and a new one will be sent to you. So this is how to go about it. All right, how you can change the name on your ticket. And if you don't want to make use of email, you can do calls instead by scrolling down to see the contact numbers available. All right, so you can just copy the number and make a call. All right, so after making that call, directions on how to go about it would be given to you, and easily the name on your ticket would be changed. So ensure you try this out as soon as you can. Thanks for watching and have a good day.